I wish you luck, happiness, and riches today, tomorrow, and beyond. I hope your special day will bring you lots of happiness, love, and fun. Get older, but don't change too much because I like you just the way you are now. A birth is a beautiful thing, especially when it results in a beautiful person like you. As we know that today is your birthday. This day is very beautiful and very special day. Today is the birthday of the person who is very important to me. Sometimes you are my younger brother whom I can scold. Sometimes you become charioteer for me who encourages me. Sometimes you become older than me and sometimes I become older than you. This friendship is not so small that I can say in words. There are drawbacks inside everyone. Even all those shortcomings, we are together, then we are good friends. Let's watch some of our best memories.
टाइम ते रोटी खा टाइम ते सौ जा टाइम ते गल कर टाइम ते मिलना टाइम ते रोटी खा टाइम ते सौ जा टाइम ते गल कर टाइम ते मिलना जे रात नू जाने बाहर तां मुंडे नाल रखिया कर मेरा तू ही तू तां है तू अपना ख्याल रखिया कर मेरा तू ही तू तां है तू अपना ख्याल रखिया कर अपना ख्याल रखिया कर ना 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 कदे कदे रोटी आके करे भी ता खाया कर वैसे जिन्ना दिल करे पैसे तू उड़ाया कर कदे कदे रोटी आके करे भी ता खाया कर वैसे जिन्ना दिल करे पैसे तू उड़ाया कर कदे कदे कोक नाल सार लिया कर वे रोज रोज ठीक नहीं पैग कट लाया कर नहीं पैग कट लाया छोटे ही चंगे लगते छोटे वाल रखिया कर मेरा तू ही तू तां है तू अपना ख्याल रखिया कर मेरा तू ही तू तां है तू अपना ख्याल रखिया कर
We have many friends in life. There are only a few of them who are very close to our heart. Hardly every person has a friend who truly understands his friend. He does not stop talking to him if mistakes are made. Doesn't break the friendship but explains it. A boy always smiles, no matter how sad he is. He doesn't speak his heart to anyone. There are few friends like you. You are such a person with whom I can share my problems, from the smallest to biggest. Because I know you can never make fun of my feelings. We never thought that we would be such good friends. Becoming a good friend was easy, and maintaining a good friendship is equally difficult. Life is too short. It should always be important to keep the friendship strong, except for resentment. Not every person you meet in life is mean to stay, but a best friend like you always there to hold my hand. I am so lucky to have you in my life. We may not talk for days, may not meet for weeks, but our immense bonding will never fade away. To know you is adventure, to care for you is an art, to listen to you is an honor, but to have you as my friend is an absolute treasure. You are the best. Life can give us a number of friends, but only true friends can give us a beautiful life. One of my true friends is you. All our memories were refreshed on your special day. These are some moments. I want to have many more moments in life. I want to thank you for everything. From you, I have learnt a lot. Thank you. You know that it is very easy to make friends, but it is very difficult to maintain friendship. I have no gift to give you, but I think there is no better gift than this moment. I hope you will like this video, and I hope we will be together all the ups and downs of life. And I want to say one thing at last. Thanks for being my friend.
जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मन।